on this edition of the Audiocat channel.
Alright guys, because this is Jay Cruz from the Audiocat channel. Always want to thank you guys for the support, man. I want to bring something to y'all because people are asking me questions and I want you guys to know exactly what it is that's going on. The reason I decided to go with the gen that I did on this Dodge Charger is because, let's put this in perspective. How many car meets and how many places do you go and you see a 2015 and up Dodge Charger? We all know they're everywhere. Challenger's the same, and we can't get mad at that. It's a very, very popular car. So what I decided to do is to get a car that once we customize it and we put it the way that we're gonna build it, I'm not gonna do this on my own. On these videos, I'm gonna be requesting comments and colors. I'm gonna be putting all these different options out there because I want this car to be built for y'all, because the one that's gonna win it is gonna be one of y'all. So this is gonna be color choices, the color of the wrap, the hood design, the wheels we're doing, like everything in this car is going to be built for you guys. So since it's for you guys, I want you guys to choose everything about this car. So this video today, I'm gonna do a full walk around with the car, tell you what my thoughts and plans are for the car, what the concept I'm going after for the car, and see what you guys input is on this build. This car is not gonna be a car for me, this could be a car for y'all, but I want to put our style into it, man. I want to do something that's special, so when you pull up to these car meets or you pull up anywhere, you're not driving the same car that everybody else is driving. So for me, that was the most important thing. Second thing I was looking for, I didn't just want to get a base RT model vehicle. I want to get something that had a little bit more power. In fact, I'm by my computer. Let me just switch this camera around so I can look up some details for y'all and we can see exactly what we're talking about. Let me just grab this here. Alrighty, so this is what we have and what we're dealing with. Let me come over here. So this vehicle here, the standard Pentastar, gives you 292 horsepower, 260 foot-pounds of torque. The 5.7 gives you about 370, all right? But the police package is gonna have 316, it's a 316 Hemi V8 with 375 horsepower, right? So 370, you gain an extra 5 horsepower. Because that might seem like nothing, but it's something. But when we get done with this vehicle, we're gonna add some add-ons. So this is what I'm planning on doing. Custom wide body kit, that's a mandatory for us. I think that could be a big thing for you guys who own this car. A custom wide body kit. I'm gonna show y'all right now a couple pictures of other people's cars that I'm using some of the ideas from them to bring this dream to reality for y'all, but this is kind of what we're looking at. Okay, so now that you've seen the purple one, you've seen the orange one, the wide body kit is what I'm going after. We're gonna decide if we're going with the fenders. We're gonna decide if we're going with the hood, which I think is gonna be mandatory. I'm doing a star ceiling, wide body kit, custom wrap, changing the headlights, doing the hood, RT front end, custom spoiler in the back. Of course, we got the star ceiling, and I might just throw in there, depends on how the time rolls if we build this, but I might just throw an audio system in there just to give it the extra personal touch. So when you get this car, you're pretty much just going to grab it and drive it. So what I've decided to do is grab this car. It's a great running car. Man, I'm gonna be honest with you, if the raffle is going well, I might just throw a cam in there. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know that for sure we're doing the wide body kit, we're doing the wrap, we're definitely gonna be doing the spoiler, the star ceiling, that's all a definite. The wheels and tires, that's all a definite. The cam would be an option that we look into. The hood would be an option, but I think the hood has to go. So y'all just comment below and let me know. But I'm gonna go walk out to the vehicle so you can see what the car is like today. I already took ownership and possession of the vehicle. Now I just got parts that I've ordered for the car. There's not really a kit out there for this car, so it could be a custom build, and y'all gonna watch this video, the progress of this car being built from beginning to end, everything we're doing to it. I am gonna change the headliner out, because we're gonna do the star ceiling and give it just that extra touch for you guys. Yes, it's gonna have twinkles, but long story short, this is a build for you guys, so I want you guys to get involved. We've already had a lot of people purchasing tickets, and we want to thank you guys for that. This is what it could take to make the dream work happen with you guys, man. But you know what I'm saying, this was something that I decided to do. I think it's going to be a very, very unique build, and let me go introduce you to the car. Understand what's going on here, man. The guys, we've got a lot of different videos coming out for y'all, man. I'm trying to be more consistent. Let me go grab the keys for this Charger and introduce you to the girl. 1 second, y'all. Key here for y'all, y'all can see it. Man, you know what? Now that I'm looking at it, might as well throw a remote start too. So you're gonna get a remote start with the deal. But let me walk you outside. The guys are working. Let me show you what it is that we're dealing with and what we're working with on this beautiful build. Oh my God, look what's here. The original Audiocat, y'all. Look at her there. Still here. Yeah, she's still with me. We could wrap for that too, but everybody says not to because it's a stick shift. Comment if y'all think we should wrap for that car. But here goes the car. So I picked it up. She's dirty. You know what I'm saying? You're looking at it as I took her. She is definitely dirty. We definitely have to do a couple things. The body lines are straight, which is the most important part of it. The body lines are straight. I'm gonna throw the spoiler on here. Y'all can choose which one you want. I'm gonna probably do some customization on the lights. Window tint definitely gonna happen for y'all. Custom hood. Let me see. Custom hood. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm still getting used to this gimbal thing here. Hold on. Okay. So the hood here. Definitely gonna change that hood. Gonna change out that front bumper too. Change out the headlights, yes. Color designs, man, y'all comment below. Let me unlock the baby girl. She is completely inside. She is intact, y'all. There's no tears, no damages to this car. Hold on, unlock the door here. There's no damages to the car. The car is completely intact. So you're winning a car that's actually a driving car. Then, inside, I'm gonna remove this light. I'm gonna do something custom for y'all here with the custom light. That's gonna be removed. I'm gonna do definitely a star ceiling in here. I'm gonna also look into options to change out the radio for y'all. But yeah, it's definitely the police package. You can see the shifters here. So she is faster than your regular RTs. That's pretty much, you know, what my decision was. It's a car that I know can be dependable. I know somebody's gonna win this car and really love and have a unique car, y'all. So, you know, the car's here, man. Join the raffle. You can find the links on my YouTube. You can find the links on my Instagram. The car is up live. We're gonna really give this away. There ain't no scamming on this. It's a real giveaway. Thanks to Real and the people that support us in this, man. But I can definitely tell you, I'm excited for this build, y'all, because I know that this build is gonna be something that could be different and it's gonna be crazy. It could be a car that you're going to get to enjoy and be different. That is the key of why I chose this car. It's not like every other Charger out there. I like the 2015s and up, yes I do. But if I was building something for myself and I wanted to pull up somewhere and be different, I would be doing the Gen 2. That's what we have here, y'all. So at this point in time, I want you guys to comment. Please comment, hit me up on the DMs, hit me up on these videos. Give me some color options, y'all. Give me some wheel options, give me some hood options. Give me the options y'all want. Tell me what you guys want on this car, because this car is not for me. This car is for you. And we're gonna make your dreams come to reality. Tickets come as low as $10, y'all. Now, the reason I got into this, man, is that I've given away a couple cars with Real, like not me being involved in them, but like I've been here for the delivery of these people picking up these cars. And man, when you hear the story of these people that win these cars and how they invested $10 or $100 or $150 and won a whole car that's customized with a title in their hands and able to have a car for that price, that was just unreal, man. And to see their smiles and the stories you hear, it touched me. It touched me to the point that I said, you know what? I'm gonna go do a giveaway. I'm gonna make somebody smile. I'm gonna get somebody a car, and we're gonna be able to put our touches out there, man. So this is what the car is like. Let me show you a little bit more outside. But I already got delivery of the vehicle. The vehicle is mine. Got everything for her. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna definitely change those tips too for the exhaust. But the vehicle is here, y'all. The car is here and she is ready to go. I'm gonna start putting her together now, so stay tuned to the videos. And we get this bad boy here going to be a whole nother build, man. But it's gonna be a fully custom car and it's gonna be y'all's. Stay tuned, man. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, I'm grateful to God for the blessing of being able to do this. Y'all are gonna have one extreme car, one extreme build. Stay tuned for all the process. I already ordered the parts for it, so now we're gonna get it going. Y'all need to give me what kind of wheels y'all want. Y'all need to give me what kind of hood you want. Y'all need to tell me what color you want. So it's up to y'all. At this point in time, this ball's in y'all hands. Shoot it back, tell me what we need to do. Let's get the car built. Y'all be good and God bless.